guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a skinny, spicy paloma. It's going to be super citrusy and low sugar. For the ingredients, you're going to need some tajín, sparkling water, tequila, some agave, 1 lime, 1 jalapeno, 1 grapefruit, and some ice. First, we're going to start by riming our cup, dipping it into some agave. Then some tajín. Should look like this. Now, in our shaker, we're going to add some ice. Our tequila, or a lot of tequila, just kidding. And then our agave. We're just gonna drizzle that in there. It's getting crazy over here. Some lime. I'm gonna squeeze that in there. And then only 2 jalapenos. We're gonna leave 1 to the side because we're just gonna top that later. Now we're gonna give this a good shake. Now let's combine everything. Ice. Our tequila. Sparkling water. Our grapefruit. Then we're gonna top it off with a jalapeno. And we're all done. Cheers. So good.